guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am joined by Jack. Oh, I can't zoom in. Oh. Alright guys, actually today is the day before my birthday. It's
finally gonna be 30, I'm so proud.
Yay! So yeah, you guys might recognise this because last time you might have seen that you've actually already seen this room before. Yeah.
Was this the room that you were in?
Yeah. When I was making my 100th special, I was actually in this room.
You can tell you're at Wales if you read a sticker book though.
Yeah. 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 Right now, all we're doing is chilling out, watching some Back to the Future. Yeah, made some mint drawings as well. Might not have seen that. Yeah. Yeah. And another video, you'll see if this ain't at the
Your voice anyway, you said
when the squeaker. But yeah, this will either be in the middle of the video or near the beginning. But I'm gonna try and make a few videos out of all the clips I get, all the videos I get off this holiday. So far, I've probably got about 2 videos worth already.
And that was when?
Today, actually. But we'll leave that as.
Yeah, when we nothing. It's a surprise.
Because they're going. Whoa. Yeah, I eat sticks of rock.
This was a disc. I've got 8 sticks of rock for £1.
Yeah. So guys, as always, if you like these few videos of me in Wales, yeah, it's actually kind of special actually, because this is the first time I've actually mentioned my birthday within my channel. Like, yeah, I didn't mention it last year. During the summer, I don't think I made any videos on my birthday week.
Oh.
Yeah, guys, yeah, because videos drop. This bit of video is dragging along, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope you like all the other videos. If ain't at the very beginning, if it's at the middle, hope you're enjoying or you will enjoy, guys. I'll see you throughout the video. Bye. Oh, the golden ticket. What? Okay.
Well, you can buy your bikes.
Yeah. Burger cash in.
You're not spending any more money here?
Probably not. A little box? Don't know. La Lamborghini.
Let's spend on this salt and just too hot.
Oh God. Might actually have 200, Jack.
Oh, exactly 200!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Thank you very much.
As if you've just got exactly 200.
Wait, right. And I'm doing with that.